Hello and welcome. So so in this video 044 Google Sidebar model and Modeless forms. So you see on the right side that is called a Sidebar in Google Sheet, and this is called Modal form. Modal form is that when you open it, you cannot work on Google Sheet. You have to close it to able to access other part of the Google Sheet. Now in Modeless is something different. You can open it and also click on the sheet and do some entry. That's the difference between the last two. Okay, so first let's just simulate this one. And if we enter this sidebar form, we can get the entry data here on the sheet. Similarly, for modal form, you can enter your data and then submit. Your new data will be there. It's exactly same thing, only different kind of window you're getting. And then submit. So now you can see all three type of forms are working in Google Sheet. To work with this, you don't have to publish your sheet. You can work on your own. Thing is that the app script is written in what is called bound app script project. So that means you have to create the Google Sheet and then open script editor, or you can use the CLASP tool to use Visual Studio Code or some other IDE to develop your code. But here we did simply sheet and then app script editor, and that's it. So you have 4 files basically to do all these things. First of all, let's go through this one. On open is when you first time open this one, this custom menu will be generated using this function. And then show form inside in sidebar. This is function. When it is called, sidebar form will be displayed, and this is the modal dialog form will be displayed. This is Modeless dialog form will be displayed when they are called, because they are called different time, different submenu. So you see, because we have 3 menu, we have 3 different function calling from this these 3. Okay, and then a process form. So when the form is submitted, when the submit button is clicked, then these are the entry made here, and this is for this one. Finally, this is a little bit a small function which is used in HTML to actually call other 2 HTML files, include JavaScript and include form. Okay, and rest here are actually just reference to the Bootstrap library, and then Bootstrap library here as well, and some npm jQuery, and that's it. Nothing much here. So only thing here is this one, JavaScript, include JavaScript and include form within this HTML. So what is inside JavaScript? Inside JavaScript there is 2 function. One is prevent form submit, which is kind of when the form is loaded, it will prevent the form to be submitted by default, and when the form actually processed, then it will get reset. So inside form we have the HTML code, like in first name, last name, gender, male, female, and this email thing that we have seen. And that's it, and nothing much. It's a very simple IC, and it can be uh, implemented with a lot of other projects. Thank you.